It's Debbie here on a Sunday, relaxing, and I decided to do another Fit Food review. So here's the first one. I like these um, Food Network Kitchen Inspiration. This is such spicy Szechuan style chicken rice kit, and this time I've used it with chicken before. This time I tried it with salmon. It was delicious. I'm getting over a cold. That's why I sound this way. And these are the nutritionals. I like to show these. Yeah, because I don't do mac and cheese and rice dinners. I do more of these. These are healthier. It has some vegetables in it and stuff. So this is healthier. It has dried carrots, green beans, red peppers, Szechuan style sauce, rice. And these are so cute. These come in your kit, and you get everything you need. So you add oil and water. It has the rice, and it has all the dried vegetables. This is the only one I tried because this was on markdown for Kroger. And this is Szechuan sauce. This is delicious. It's not too spicy, and this is so cute. This you really don't need it. This card, this is real cute. You want to save this, make your own. So, but it's easy directions in the back. So, yeah. So these are cute. Recommend these, especially on markdown. This is cute, and I like this. This is on markdown at Kroger also, and it's nutritionals. This is a soup starter kit. And I don't need a slow cooker. I just do it over the stove or the pot. Add my low sodium chicken broth, and add this. You can add more vegetables, and I add you add cooked meat. So I had some cooked chicken thighs, which is also on markdown this week. And so these are good. Has strips of I think it's strips of pie crust. It's like a stew. But you do have to add some salt, because I tried to add it without salt because I did have the low sodium chicken broth, and I'm sorry, I needed salt. So I added my pink Himalayan salt. That helped a lot. Just enough to give it some flavor. It was just too bland. And also I like adding to this and to this. I like adding just a little bit of heat, just crushed red peppers. I don't like things too spicy, but add some good flavor. Yeah. This is on sale at Walgreens, $1 something. So gives it some good flavor and nice color. And I also love adding my black sesame seeds to both of those, the stew and the Kitchen Network dinner kit. Very good. These also are marked down at Kroger. Where is it? There you go. And this is a gift from a lady I work for, and I like adding these also. I like the flavor and the way it looks. The nutritionals. Do they sell nutritionals on this? I don't think there is any, but there's the ingredients. So yeah, and so those are good. Oh yeah, and this is on markdown also at Kroger. Nice little light snack. I like the pop chip snacks. Nice little light snacks. And these are cute novelty snacks. I'm a Star Wars fan. Here is the nutritionals, of course. Excuse me. Very light. Excuse me. Okay, this Kashi. I like all Kashi stuff. It's 7-grain blend. These are kind of plain, but these are good with dips and cheese. So all Kashi stuff is good. Cereals, bars, whatever. a frozen pizza. There's nutritionals. So all Kashi stuff is good. Healthier snack option. So I recommend all this stuff. Very good. Oh, again, I showed this before, but I'll show this again. Got this at Dollar Tree. I like these veggie crackers. They are so good. And they have some dried vegetables in them. And here's nutritionals. It's a good, light, healthy snack. I like it with cheese and spreads and dips and stuff. Great with hummus and stuff. And that's it for today for my Fit Food review. I love sharing, things that are pretty good. And if it's not so good, I like giving my opinion on it. So just good, healthy alternatives. So many out there than there was back in the day. So there's no excuse not to eat healthier, even if you like snacks. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good week.